Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, we discussed how short-term price action looked ready to move downward and possibly revisit 116,400 according to the one-day heat map. Bitcoin dipped about 1.6% to 115,100, erasing much of the week's rally sparked by the Federal Reserve rate cut that had peaked near 118,000 on September 18th. At the time of recording, a potential bottom is forming on the hourly chart around 115,500. This is the level where price previously broke above last week's descending trendline, and both the wave trend and MACD indicators point toward possible upward momentum. The next step would be reclaiming 116,400 in the near term. Looking at the heat maps, on the one-day view, 117,300 stands out as the nearest area of interest, matching the idea of a short-term move upward from 116,400. On the three-day view, the key zones remain higher at 119,000 and 119,500. These levels show traders continuing to open high-leverage positions near current prices, which can spark fast reactions in the market. Turning to ETF flows, institutions continue adding exposure, despite hesitation around retesting old highs and with the Fear and Greed Index back to neutral. On Friday, inflows totaled more than $222 million, a notable figure. Stablecoin activity also drew attention. USDC exchange inflows reached $1.33 billion, the highest level in over 4 years. Large deposits of this size have often preceded meaningful market moves. On a personal note, I recently began scaling into the perpetual decentralized exchange project Aster, which competes directly with the fast-growing Hyperliquid. My entries averaged about 45 cents, and the token now trades close to 90 cents after briefly touching 97 cents earlier today. Based on comparisons with competitors' valuations, some analysts see strong potential for this project, though any such investment carries high risk. In broader industry news, Grayscale launched its new CoinDesk Crypto 5 ETF on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker GDLC. The fund allocates roughly 70% to Bitcoin, 20% to Ether, and smaller portions to XRP, Solana, and Cardano. This is the company's first such ETF since 2018 and offers diversified digital asset exposure through traditional markets. Year to date, the fund is already up more than 40%, which may attract additional institutional interest. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you found value in this video, and subscribe with the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.